Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In today's video, we'll be learning how to build with Near. This is actually going to be a three-part series where in the first part, we learn about how to read the smart contracts and set up the development environment. In the second part, we'll write our own smart contract. And in the third part, we'll learn to write unit tests for the smart contracts. Now, the Near blockchain has been picking up a lot of traction, primarily because the Near ecosystem offers a lot of great features for those who are wanting to build dApps on top of blockchain frameworks. Near is also, according to a recent report, it is extremely environment friendly as well. And it offers programming languages such as assembly script or Rust, in which you can program your smart contracts. The Near ecosystem overall is quite friendly, and there are guilds across the globe helping those who want to onboard to Near. So if you want to learn more about Near, I will link a couple of other videos in my description box, which could be helpful as well. So let's get started. So for all of you who are watching me for the first time, my name is Jnanalakshmi, aka Gyan, and I'm one of the ambassadors for the Near India Guild. I'm one of the core team members. I love building educational material. I love building videos, recording tutorials, and of course, I love learning about blockchains, right? So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the first part of the video series where we are going to be cloning a small repo and just walking through one of the contracts. As I already mentioned, as a part of this series, what would you be learning? In the first part, that is this video that you're watching, you'll be learning what do you require to set up to develop and build Near smart contracts. You will be reading one of the contracts and walking through the different functionalities of the contract. In the second part, we'll be writing our own contract. You'll learn how to write a contract from the scratch. And in the third part, of course, to complete the loop, we'll be writing some unit tests. So the contract language that we'll be focusing on would be assembly script. You can also write contracts on Near using a Rust language, for which we'll be doing a separate series pretty soon. So without further ado, let's get started. So like I mentioned, the first thing, of course, is the prerequisites, right? What do you need? How can you set up in order to start developing with Near? Well, to get set up is pretty easy. There are, if you go to the docs.near.org, and I will be posting these links in the description box as well, you can see that there are a couple of links that would help you in terms of how you can, what are the different examples, how can you create your wallet, what is the Near Explorer where you can see the transactions. In order to work with contracts, you definitely need to have the Near CLI because that is what we are going to be doing today. The Near API JS library, if you want to use JavaScript to interact with the accounts and smart contracts. And as I mentioned that the language of our choice is going to be assembly script, we'll need the Near SDK AS as well, which is the assembly script SDK for developing smart contracts and assembly script, right? So you can refer to this page and make sure that you are installed and set up with all of these requirements. The repo that we will be cloning and working with is the starter assembly script. So I'll be posting the link to this repo as well. Sheriff, who's the education head at Near, has been kind enough to prepare this starter kit, which also has a video. If you're interested, you can definitely later walk through this. But just to save some time, what we are going to do is we are going to directly jump into cloning this repo. So I'm going to be copying this link and I'm going to go to my terminal. I've already created a directory. Let me clone this repo. All right, so I've cloned this repo and now you can see that I'm inside this repo. Let me bring this to the center of the screen so we are all being able to see this. So all right. As you can see, I'm already inside the repo. And you can see that there is a README, there are some config files, there is the asconfig.json, which is config file. Let's take a look at this. So it just has the name of the workspace, that is source sample. So there's a source, there's a yarn.log, which we don't have to worry about. The package.json, of course, it comes with the npm, and there are some scripts which we'll go through soon, right? So let's dive into source. Before that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just open my VS Code so it becomes easier for all of us to see the code. So as mentioned in the repo here, we need to do yarn, which will install all the dependencies. And then if we want to run the tests, we can do a yarn test, right? So let me just do yarn. So it's going to be installing all the dependencies. As you can see, I already have the near SDK AS and some of the other dependencies like the near CLI installed. So this is going to install the this repo specific libraries for me. So let's go inside source and sample. Let's go inside assembly, and you will find a file called index.ts. This is going to be your smart contract file, right? So you can see that once you go inside source, inside sample, which is the name of a folder. For example, if you have a project that is called coin toss demo, you're inside the source, you will create a folder called coin toss demo, inside which you will keep your tests as well as your assembly script contract, which is called index.ts in this case. Now we have seen a basic setup of how the smart contract looks and how you can set up the repo in your own system. Thank you so much for attending this session. I hope you're able to attend the rest of the chapters and watch the other videos as well. Definitely solve the quiz questions. It will give you a good idea about how much you know about Near. And of course, keep studying, keep learning. See you soon.